Hello and welcome back to DXB Today. We are almost at the end of today's episode, but worry not, because we have a YouTube channel and you can check out this episode and so many more. All you've got to do is head on down to youtube.com/Dubai1.
And I gotta say, I love our Instagram. There are highlights there, but also some competitions from time to time. So make sure you follow us there and use the hashtag DXB Today so we can find your content. And don't forget, we are live every night, both on your TV and online on Dubai1.ae at 8:30 p.m. every night.
Tune in tomorrow because we will be talking about a topic that is deeply relevant to women and by extension all the men around them. It's menopause. But now we are heading to the fridge for tonight's closing act. This is singer and composer Winck singing Undefeated. Take it away.
Just keep on it. I don't care anymore. Dreams and hopes are crashed all over the floor. You know you don't even mind. Skip this part, you don't need to be mine. I don't love you, but I need this whole step door. Keep the secret, take my heart undefeated. I'm here letting you do. I don't love you. I know I'm gonna get hurt. I found myself already healing this burn. You're just a problem to deal. I let this issue from my future self to feel. And no surprise, that's what you always do. It's just another side I see you're here. Not gonna lie, I love the game of truth. Don't really care, but I really should. Just a story to tell, another you from the I was caught by a spell. I hold them right at a climb. It's just a matter of time. I don't love you, but I need this whole step door. Keep the secret, take my heart undefeated. I don't love you, but I need this whole step door. Keep the secret, take my heart undefeated. Just a story to tell, another gift from the I was caught by a spell. I hold them out at a climb, it's just a matter of time.